Students of class 6, today we will learn chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes, part 1. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn comparison of line segments, how to identify right, straight, complete, acute, obtuse and reflex angles, how to measure angles. Introduction. In our daily life, we see many shapes around us which are formed using curves or lines. For example, credit card, train, balloons and ring. We organize these shapes into line segments, angles, triangles, polygons and circle. Line segment. Line segment is a portion of line which has two endpoints and hence can be measured. The measure of each line segment is called its length. Here you can see in figure AB is line segment and A and B are its two endpoints. Line segments can be compared in three ways: by observation, by tracing and by measurement using ruler and divider. Now we will compare two line segments to find a relation between their lengths. Comparison by observation. We can identify the bigger line segment merely by looking at it. So we can find easily line segment CD is longer than the line segment AB. Drawbacks of comparison by observation. We cannot compare the two line segments with slight difference in their lengths. Comparison by tracing. To compare line segments AB and CD, we use tracing paper. Trace AB and place the segment on CD. In this way, we can decide which one is longer. Drawbacks of tracing. The length measured depends on our tracing accuracy. If we have to compare three line segments, we have to trace twice. We cannot trace lengths all the time as it is very time consuming. Comparison by measurement using a ruler. Students, ruler is an instrument in your geometry box which is divided into 15 equal parts on one of its edge. Each part is equal to 1 centimeter and each centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts and each such part is known as millimeter. Inches are marked on the other edge. To measure the line segment AB, place the 0 mark of the ruler at point A. Read the mark against B. This gives the length of line segment AB 7 cm. Drawbacks of comparison by measurement. Thickness of the ruler may cause difficulties in reading length. To get an appropriate measure, eyes should be correctly positioned, otherwise error can occur due to angular viewing. Comparison by measurement using a divider. It is better to use divider than a ruler because thickness of the ruler may cause difficulties while reading length, whereas divider has sharp points at each end, thus gives an accurate measurement. To measure the line segment AB, place the end point of one of its arm at A and the end point of the second arm at B. Without disturbing the opening of the divider, lift the divider and place it on the ruler. Ensure that one end point is at 0 mark of the ruler. Then read the mark against the other point. Angles. Angle is formed when two rays meet at a point called vertex. Here we can understand angles: right angles, straight angles, and complete angles with the help of directions. When the boy stands facing the sun with his outstretched arms, then his face is towards the east while his back is towards the west. His left arm points towards the north and his right arm points towards the south. Right angle. When you turn from north to east clockwise or north to west anti-clockwise, then right angle is formed. The measure of right angle is 90 degree. Straight angle. When you turn from east to west clockwise or anti-clockwise by two right angles, then straight angle is formed. The measure of straight angle is 180 degrees. Complete angle. When you start moving from any of the direction to reach the original position, clockwise or anti-clockwise, making a full turn, is called one revolution. The angle for one revolution is complete angle. The measure of complete angle is 360 degrees. One complete angle is equal to 2 straight angles or 4 right angles. Now we will learn about acute, obtuse and reflex angles one by one. Acute angle. An angle smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. 55 degrees, 53 degrees, 30 degrees and 75 degrees are acute angles. Real life example of acute angle is open mouth of crocodile. Obtuse angle. An angle greater than right angle is called an obtuse angle. 120 degrees, 116 degrees and 112 degrees are obtuse angles. One real life example of obtuse angle is hand fan. Reflex angle. An angle greater than a straight angle but less than complete angle is called reflex angle. 210 degrees, 311 degrees are reflex angles. One example of reflex angle is that exterior angle formed by the two legs of divider. Measuring angles. The protractor is a semicircular shaped device which is used to measure and draw angles. The curved edge is divided into 180 equal parts. Each part is equal to a degree. There are two scales marked on the protractor, outer and inner. The outer scale is marked from 0 degree to 180 degrees in clockwise direction. The inner scale is also marked from 0 degrees to 180 degrees in anti-clockwise directions. Measuring angles. To measure angle ABC, we place the protractor in such a way that its center is on the vertex B and its straight horizontal edge lies on the arm BC. The arm AB coincides with 60 degrees on the inner scale of protector. So, the angle ABC measures 60 degrees. In this way, we can measure the angle when arm BC lies on the outer scale of the protector. Here, the measure of angle ABC is 100 degrees. Thank you.